Hey guys, welcome to Pep Coding. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the solution of problem dynamic stack. Okay, so I will suggest you first that please, if you haven't seen the video of normal stack, you have to see the video of normal stack. After this only, you will be getting dynamic stack. I am going to discuss many things about normal stack only, and I am also going to skip many things. So please, I am suggesting you go and watch the normal stack video first. Fine. So in normal stack, what was there? There was some kind of capacity that we can fill only some limited elements. Okay, but in dynamic stack, what we can do, we can add as many element as we can. Okay, whatever how much element we want to add, we can add as much element. Okay, so now what we have to do is in previous in normal stack, what we used to do, there was some array of some capacity. Let's say capacity was 5 3 4. Okay, my capacity is something, and we were pointing, we had a pointer. Okay, so let's say my stack is like this right now: 10 20 30 40 and 50, and my top of stack is pointing to this, and my imaginary stack is like this. Fine. Plus my this array is behavior is having a behavior of stack. It's fine. Now my TOS is this. If someone calls the size of function, what can I say? I can say TOS plus 1 is size. Okay, now what we have to do in dynamic stack, what we were doing earlier, if my size if my TOS that means what, if my size of the stack is equals to what, the length of this array, then what we were doing, we were printing stack overflow and we were returning from there. But now what we will be doing, if my size of stack is equal to length of array or capacity, if my size is equal to capacity, then what I will be doing, I will be making a new array of double of its size. Okay, right now its size is 5. Now I'm going to make the array of size 10. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Sorry, 9 only. Okay, so this is the array of double of its size. Now what I am going to do, I am going to I'm just going to add everything in this stack. Okay, from I equals to 0 till what, till TOS, till my top of stack. Okay, then I'll be adding copying my stack to this array. So 10 20 30 40 50. When I copied this, plus my top of stacks will remain this TOS. So what I have to do after this, I just have to update my old array with new array. That's the only thing we have to do. Okay, and all other functions will be remaining same. Okay, so now I am just going to do what, first I am going to copy my code of this. Okay, wait, I'm just going to copy the code of normal stack. Okay, so from here I'm going to copy this. Wait for a while. Yes, so I have copied this, so I'm going to paste it here. Fine, it's same, it has no difference, it's exactly same. Just we have to manipulate something in our push function. Okay, because now see here, when my size, that means self dot top of stack plus 1 was equal to my length of array, what we were doing, see, we were printing stack overflow. We were printing what, we were printing stack overflow and we were returning from it. Okay, but now what we will do, you just see, now what we will be doing here, we will not print this stack underflow or something. We will make a new array. Let's say my name of new array is new this ARR, which is equals to 0 multiplied by 2 multiplied by length of my old array. Okay, yes, this is what we have to do. Now what we have to do, I'm going to copy everything for I in range till when, till my TOS plus 1. Okay, self dot TOS plus 1. Now what I have to do, I have to copy everything. So my new array of I is equals to what, my old array self dot array of I. Okay, That's it. And after this, what we have to do? My top of stack will remain same. Now after copying everything, what we have to do? We have to update. That means I am going to update my array with what? With my new array. That's it. That's it. We don't have to do anything else. Let's try to run this and see if this is accepted, and let's try to submit this. Let's see if all the test cases are getting passed. It's getting loaded. Okay, it's taking time. So yes, it's accepted. We got full marks, and all test cases are passed. I hope you understood this, what I have done here. So what we were doing here, when my stack is full, okay, when my array was full, what I did after this, I made a new array of double of its size, and I copied my old array to new array. That's it. That was it. Okay. So plus top function and pop function will remain same, and display function will also remain same. Fine. So guys, I am suggesting you again, please watch the normal stack video if you haven't seen this. Otherwise, you won't get this video. Fine. So if you understood everything, that's fine. And if you are having any doubt, please watch the video again. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, and please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. We'll meet in the next lecture. Bye bye.